First of all, you need to have a web server, a web server app installed already, and your Mikhmon already configured in this a web server. We did that in the first video. So when you open this a web server, you have to go to start service. You start the service. After the service is started, you go to this IP address. Then it will bring me here to put my Mikhmon's username and password. And the password. So now here I don't have any router, so first thing I need to do is to add my router. Before adding the Wi-Fi profile that I have, I need to add my router. But in case there is a router, you just have to go to open that router, but currently my router list is empty. So I'll go here, click on this main button on the top left and add router. Here I'll add my hotspot name. Let me call it, mine is Mikhmon. The router IP address is 180.168.88.1 and my username is admin and my router password is admin. So this is my router username and password. Then I'll add my hotspot name. My Wi-Fi name is Mikhmon. I'll add my DNS, which is the same DNS that was configured in the Mikrotik, Mikhmon.wifi.login. Then I'll select my currency to be Ugandan shillings, and then I'll have to enable this live report for you to be able to see your income on the screen. So, and how your user uses your internet, you have to enable that live report. After that, you come here where there's Mikrotik and you click on this save. I'll save. So now that I saved, in case you have another site, you can add a second router. Okay, let me try to add another router. Maybe let this be hotspot 2, but these are not correct because they are not configured in the router. I'm just showing you how to add a second router. DNS, the currency, you choose currency. Let me leave it at that because then you enable the live report. Save. Then you save. So when you log out and go back here, you'll be able to see these two routers that I've just added, but this one is not anywhere. So I was just showing you how to add a second router. This briefly, so let me just delete it. So the next thing to do is to add our Wi-Fi profile, hotspot profile. For instance, if you're selling hourly internet, daily internet, weekly internet, so those are the profiles that I mean. So you go to your hotspot router here. It is Mikhmon. Then you open that router. Open. You click on open. How it appears. This is my dashboard. Here I'm able to generate. I'm able to see current users that are connected to the hotspot. What is hotspot active, then the current voucher codes that have not yet used that I still have in the system, that 271. Then below I can see the income for today, for this month. I'm able to see all that information here at the dashboard. But if I want to generate, I can either click